Hello, friends. Today we are going to talk about our fund, Kotak Emerging Equity. As all of you know, it's a mid-cap oriented fund where minimum 65% of the fund needs to be invested in mid-cap stocks as defined by SEBI on a half-yearly basis. The fund's focus is to invest in companies which can become future leaders by doing strong research on each of those companies and choose companies that can ride the business cycles. Uh, After a long time of underperformance, the space has outperformed larger caps. And our sense is that if economy is going to recover next year and we would have a more broad-based economic recovery, broader markets and hence mid and small cap should do well. We are excited by the lot of opportunities which are coming along our way. Good businesses, new businesses are also getting listed, which are providing us opportunities. But the key themes we believe, which will be probably, good themes to, and where our funds are positioned, are as follows. One, we believe big is getting bigger. But normally people tend to confuse that with large caps. Big means only large caps. That's not the case, friends. If you plot the companies from 101 to 650, which is largely the mid and small cap space, there are more than 200 companies in that 550 company universe, which are category leaders in their own sectors they operate in, either number one, number two, or number three. And we believe that over the last decade, across every sector, the companies have done extremely well. And those are the companies which have actually managed to grow despite of all hindrances. So big is getting bigger is the theme, and post-pandemic, this has come out to be extremely true. The second theme, friends, is we believe real estate is as a cusp of revival. And our sense is that the entire home improvement space, which rides on the demand of real estate, should be biggest beneficiaries going forward. Whether it be from plywood, tiles, cables, housing, wires, paints, consumer durable, it could be a whole host of sectors, which is the home improvement sector we are positive on. The third sector, friends, is the entire space around Atmanirbhar, import substitution, and the China Plus strategy. We believe this is a powerful theme. Government has announced PLI incentives to the tune of 1.9 lakh crores, which will be spent over the next 5-6 years. And we believe that the front loading of that has to happen in the next 24 to 36 months in terms of capex spend. And we believe that there are large opportunities which would come our way in this theme. It could be from various sectors. It could be from electronics. It could be from auto ancillary, chemicals, pharma, API, and so on and so forth. And we are evaluating companies and from a medium to long term. So we believe that apart from the core themes like financials, export-oriented companies, these three are very important themes which will probably also, we believe that if next year is a more normalized growth, the broader markets and mid and small caps should do well. And we believe that over a period of time, we have seen in the past that almost 7-8 years out of the last 11 years, mid caps have outperformed large caps. While there's near-term uncertainty relating to COVID, relating to how will the interest rate inflation pan out, but we believe that over the next 3 to 5 years, the space will throw us a lot of opportunities, and we should be lean and agile enough to capture some of them in our portfolios. So we recommend most of the investors who are already invested or looking to invest that please come with at least a 3 to 5 year horizon in view and invest at this stage through SIP and STP mode, and be ready to digest the volatility which will come along the way. So friends, happy investing. Thank you. See you guys soon.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.